time we will draw castle easy. We draw ice cream castle. Start with horizontal line. I love ice cream. I draw ice cream cone first. It's a tower castle from ice cream. Let's make some castle look amazing. The castle is big. It's have 3 tower castle ice cream. It's so yummy. Put the tail in front of castle ice cream. We have doors so big. Any more window? Don't forget to plant a tree on side the castle. And now time to coloring. First we coloring ice cream tower castle. Pink and purple in first layer. Red. Orange. And yellow. Green for cone. Yeah, it's look great and fresh. Sky blue. Some detail was blue. Pink enlist a window. We choose a green blue for a tower castle. Sky blue again. Cherry is red. And we coloring second tower same color. So fresh. The wall of castle is pink. Detailing wall is purple. Window glasses is blue. Green for wall. Tealing was purple. Pink on list a gate. And gate is orange. Detailing was brown like a wood texture. Plant is green. And brown for a ground. Finish. Thanks for watching.